Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be going over what you can do with the Analytics tab within a collection in Compass and how you can use what that allows you to do to your advantage. So to navigate to this, you just click Collections and then you click any collection you want to view the analytics on. You can also search a collection up in the search bar here. For this example, I'll just use Broskies. So when you click into a collection on Compass, it will display some information towards the top that will stay there no matter the tab that you're in within that collection. This information is the name, contract address, when the contract was deployed, how many tokens are in the collection, the royalties on the collection, and if it's revealed or not, as well as a brief description. It allows you to favorite it, refresh items, and it gives you relevant links. So the first page that you'll see is the analytics page. This has the bulk of the information that will be useful when trading. There is an advanced layout which looks like this, and there is a normal layout which looks like this. They show the same information, just a different layout. So first you will see in the analytics tab the floor price, the amount of tokens listed in the collection, the percent of the total supply that is listed, the average price that these NFTs are selling for, the amount of volume they've seen in Ethereum in the last 24 hours, and the amount of volume they've seen in Ethereum in the last 30 days. If you hover over these Ethereum values, they will give you the USD equivalent. And so there is two live feeds that I will go over first. First being listings, second being sales. You can sort them by a few different things. You can do date, new to old, price, high to low, and rarity, rare to common, and you can do vice versa for all of those. You'll be able to do the same sorting on the sales as well. What this does is it pulls all listings and all sales from OpenSea in the blockchain, displays them in side by side, and you can see like as a new one pops up, it will just show up here, and as a new sale pops up, it will show up here, basically in real time. Next to that is a sales and listings chart. You can select the period for which you would like to view the sales and listings. If you click sales, it will only show you sales. Listings, it will only show you listings. You can also just, if you click sales and only show sales and then click it again, it'll show both again. You can also filter the outliers. This will allow you to exclude like higher price buys that are not too helpful with analytics. Next to that, you have a chart that shows you the floor price and the median price within the period that you have selected. Below this is a listings distribution chart, and this shows you, it's a bar graph that shows you the amount of listings at each price point. So each of these bars is a different price. If you hover over it, it will tell you how many listings are at that price and then how many total listings there are at that price and below that price. And so the main use of this page is for, personally, I get the most use swing trading on this page. Well, the reason you can do that is because it shows you everything you need to do that. It shows you floor price, it shows you percent listed, and it shows you volume. It shows you listings that are coming in live. You can sort by price low to high, so you can get these low listings. I forgot to mention earlier, there's also the one-click buy feature. If you just click the green, it will begin a MetaMask transaction to buy that in one click. The listings come in real time, sales come in real time, so that allows you to visualize if more listings are coming in than sales are coming in, and that can usually allow you to better determine which way the price is heading. You can do the same exact thing with this chart. If you have both listings and sales on, you can see that there's a large portion of listings here, but not near as many sales. So that means price is probably going to trend a little downwards. You can see price over long periods of time right here. So this is really useful because you can determine if you're getting it at a good price relative to the other prices it's been. And below that with the listing distribution chart, it directly shows you how many sales have to happen before it hits a price point in which you were interested in. So you can take this information and also be looking at the amount of sales that are going through and the amount of listings that are coming in, and it shows you the price of all these things. So it can really help you determine which direction the price is going to go. Obviously, it is not guaranteed, but these features give you an edge. So that is everything that is in the analytics tab within a collection in Compass, and a bit on how you can use that in trading to benefit. Hope you enjoyed.